At the southern tip of Africa, some 200 kilometers to the north of Cape Town, lies Clanwilliam, home of Rooibos Limited and heart of the Rooibos industry. This wilderness of craggy peaks, clean air and pure mountain streams is called the Cederberg Mountains. This is the only place in the world where Rooibos, a plant with extraordinary health-promoting properties, grows naturally. At the turn of the 19th century, it was common practice for the local people of the region to harvest the wild-growing Rooibos plants. The leaves and fine stems were chopped with axes and bruised with hammers before being left in heaps to ferment. Once fermented, the leaves and stems were spread out to dry in the hot African sun, ready for use as a thirst-quenching drink. Today, Rooibos is still processed in much the same way, but the methods are now mechanized and far more refined. The production of Rooibos starts with the planting of seeds in specially prepared seed beds in the late summer months of February and March. During the cooler winter months of July and August, after the first rainfall, the seedlings are transplanted. The first crop can be expected 18 months later. The Rooibos plant is harvested once a year between January and April by cutting the branches about 30 to 40 centimeters above the ground. On average, 3 to 4 crops can be harvested from the same plantation. The cuttings are bound into bundles for transportation to the processing yard. Here it is cut to even lengths, bruised, and after proper airing and watering, left to ferment in low heaps. The process of enzymatic oxidation takes place, during which the product changes from green to its characteristic amber color. This is when Rooibos develops its distinctive sweet aroma. The Rooibos is now spread out over large open yards to dry under the hot African sun. Special machines collect the dried Rooibos. Now it is delivered to the factory. The Rooibos is graded according to length, color, aroma and flavor to ensure uniform standards of a high quality across all grades. This is followed by screening, blending and steam treatment using state-of-the-art equipment. After the processing of Rooibos, the finished bulk product is packed in special bags or boxes, ready for dispatch to customers all over the world for further processing and blending. The bulk product is packed and distributed under various brand names in either tea bags or loose leaf form. Rooibos products are certified by various organizations that serve as a hallmark of quality and sustainability for consumers all over the world. Grown from the rich soil of the Cederberg Mountains, Rooibos is a product of true quality and natural purity, tailor-made for today's active lifestyle. Rooibos, nectar of nature.